Hi guys, in this video we are going to cover how to replant from one pot to another pot. So over here we have this plant, we have this tulsi plant which accidentally grew on our rose plant. Okay, so this was the corner where it grew, so we just picked it up from this using this spoon, and we picked it up in such a manner that its roots are intact. You can see the roots, they are absolutely intact, right? So now we are going to place this up into this. We have made a hole over here, right? And we are going to place this small sapling into this new pot. So this is where we are placing this sapling. It's a tulsi sapling, and you can see this. You just have to ensure that its original shape is not getting disturbed, and just place the extra sand around it so that it gets further support, and you just need to press it a little more to make it firm. Yes, like that. So this is where we are. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Your subscriptions are very important, and please share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace.